Hey guys, it is Wednesday. And don't ask me how, I'm just stupid like that. I somehow managed to delete everything I recorded yesterday, and now there's no going back. So I have managed to attach hair for the karate boy, and I have a little snippet that I recorded this morning of me gluing on his hair, but all the footage where I attached the hair and made the skull cap and all of those things, that I have managed to delete. So once his hair is dry, I'll make another little clip of that, and in the meantime I'm going to soothe my old soul with my yarn order that I just collected from my locker. So yeah, happiness of a different kind while I sulk over lost video footage. Oh, UK Bazaar packs their stuff really well. Let me get my scissors. Oh, gorgeous. I have this massive skein of the 67 blankets Cascade. Beautiful ombre of purple to lilac. Love that. And then I had thought the Kismet Plush Petite would be slightly thicker than this because the purples kind of match. So maybe if I double up, I'll have a little bit more yarn. It's fine. This is the 300 gram skein I ordered for my octopus hat. And then another variation of red. This is a claret, so it's a deeper red than the other yarns. My bowl. I love the Viva blanket. It is slightly thicker than the, what's it called, Elise Voluto that I usually use, but these are new to us, so I'm loving the Kismet yarns. And then this is brand new to me as well. I've never worked with Elle. They came out with this plush line just a month or so ago, maybe 2 months ago, and so I'm trying this for the first time. So that's very pretty. Also Elle velour. I know there's only 50 meters on these skins, but it is cheaper than the velour, and I thought I'd just give it a go and see how it works up. It feels thinner than the Viva by Kismet. It almost feels on par with the Elise Voluto, so I'm hoping that they will work up nicely. I just took a few colors, and that is it. So a bit of a yarn haul to make up for my stupid deleting video mistake. And yeah, I'm going to possibly start on either the strawberry hat or the octopus hat now that Karate Boy is almost out of the way. We're just waiting on his hair to dry. I will include a little bit of a snippet of that process, and I will check in later. Oh, I've got 20 worry worms ready to go, and then she's asked me to push up my tally to 40, so I've got 20 more to make. So that's my update for this Wednesday, because all the updates of Tuesday I have managed to delete, so forgive me. That is my old porridge brain. That's what you get for wanting to turn 52. So yeah, menopause is just not my friend. So guys, I shall try and check in again later. Hopefully our little karate boy's hair is dry and he can be dressed and I can show you in all his glory. So check in later. Bye.